What's going on, my friends? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update today, and this is going to be a special video for my subscribers here. Just want to talk to you in depth about some of the things that I've went through in the last 6.5 years in the cryptocurrency space, and some of the things that I really think could help you guys. So that's what we're going to get into today. And also let me know, we're going to do an altcoin video next. Let me know which altcoin down low you guys would like to go over. Whichever one has the most votes, that's what we'll do. And if we're able to, we'll go into the block behind the scenes and try to look at what's going on for that coin. So when we're looking at this here, guys, most important thing is time. You have to stay in this game, and staying in this game means protecting your capital so that you can be here for the great opportunities. These market cycles come around once every 4 years or so, or at least they have so far, and sticking around and being here for one of the bull markets is what's going to really help you. So just the time factor, being around, learning things, watching price action, it's really going to be valuable to you. The next one, live below your means. And the reason for this, guys, really live below your means, because you need to save that money and use that money when we have great opportunities. If you're spending on stupid stuff that's going to depreciate, you're not going to have that dry powder there when there's those great opportunities that happen once every 4 years or once every 2 years. You need to be able to have capital on hand to be able to make great decisions when we get those huge capitulations or those big panics that come along, where you see Bitcoin will drop, or an altcoin will drop 50% in a day or whatever. And if there is good volume and there's fundamental support behind it, those are some great opportunities, guys. And some of my best trades have been when we've had massive flushes down in one day, and I had limit orders sitting there and they got bought up, 15, 20% or more, and then I'd sell it off in the same day. And sometimes that can be some of the best trades that you have. So always being ready with those limit orders or having that cash on hand is going to be important to you, and living below your means. The next one here, guys, if you have a plan, you have to stick to your plan. You can't be bouncing back and forth and saying, okay, today I'm going to be a day trader, then I'm going to be a position trader, then a swing trader, then a long-term investor. You can't do that. You have to pick and say, hey, you know what? I'm going to be a position trader for this. I'm looking for great opportunities. I'm going to get in and I'm going to ride this trend as long as I can. I think that's the best thing to do in this space, guys, is position trading. I don't think it's day trading. I think swing trading's good, but longer term investing, you're going to go through these massive bear markets, and I just don't see the reason for that, when technically many times you can see blow off tops, with the volume spikes that come in, or you'll at least have time to get out once we drop through the 200-day moving average. There's all different types of things you can use to really save yourself those drawdowns. You want to capitalize on the market while you're in and minimize those drawdowns. So that's where I think position trading is going to be the best for you, because you're trying to stay in your position for the length of the trend. But once the trend turns bearish and we enter that bear market, that's when you take your profits and you get out of your position. And many times, if you're just long-term investing, you're riding all through that, guys, and there's no point. I've done it in 2017. You get in early, you ride something up, you make good gains, you didn't sell anything. It comes back on you. I was selling on the backside, so I was still able to at least get my money back and make a little bit, but not near what I could have in 2017. I learned a ton from that experience, and that's where I was able to take some profits in 2021, and that's now been able to help me through these bear markets so that I can look for great opportunities when the time presents itself. So, guys, sticking to your plan, having a plan, saying, you know what, I'm a position trader, I'm gonna look for great opportunities. Or if you're a day trader, then be a day trader. If you're going to be a longer term investor, do that, but have a plan and stick to that plan. And also realize, guys, in cryptocurrency here, we don't really have many regulations. There's going to be a lot of manipulation. So the mental game, the mental aspect of this is why we have to have that plan. If you believe in your coin or Bitcoin or whatever you're investing in, or your long-term trading or your position trading, believe in it, stick to your plan, and don't be reading tons of news articles, either good or bad, because sometimes, guys, all those news articles, they can just confuse you. They can make you panic sell. All of a sudden you're in a position and you see all this big whale here or whatever sold, and it really wasn't even going to impact anything. But you got out of your position, and then the market continues to move on you to the upside. Guys, we've experienced it all. But these things can really help you, because we're going to experience all this here, guys. Hope, disbelief, hope, optimism, belief, thrill, the euphoria when you're thinking you're a genius. And then we have the backside here, the complacency where everyone's buying. And then we have that lower high before we start getting into the anxiety, denial, the panic, capitulation, anger. And guys, even the capitulation here, you know, we're getting close in many aspects for many altcoins. I'm getting 100% out of the markets. I can't afford to lose anymore. And then many times when people sell, that's when the market will turn around. And then they're upset and then they're chasing it. And it's just a bad thing back and forth. So I hope these things can help you guys. God bless each and every one of you. Take care.